YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Down1914 here to bring you another sneaker review. So, as promised, I got my pairs from Nike that got delivered. Here's all three. And again, this is part 2 of the Nike Kobe Protro 4 draft pack. So if you didn't watch my first video, part 1, go back and watch that. I unwrapped the Toronto Raptors, and then I said I got 3 more pairs coming in from Nike. So I'm gonna unbox them with you guys, and we're gonna see which pair I got. Hopefully one of these pairs is the Lakers colorway, but we're gonna see. So I don't want to waste no more clock. If you into fits and kicks, you in the right place. Welcome to the channel. All my OGs, welcome back to the channel. So let's hop right into it. We got 3 unboxings, unraveling, what else you want to call that? Unveiling shoes to get to. So let me go ahead and get this first one out the way. Put these down to the side. And all right, cool. Again, I had all these on Nike Sneakers app, so all 3 pairs. And last I looked, they had like smaller sizes available, like maybe like an 8 through 9, 9.5. But all the bigger sizes and everything else is going. So you guys already know what this is. Black Kobe box, gold Kobe signature. Here's a sizing tag right here on this pair. And I did turn the lighting down a little bit, so if it looks a little dark, my apologies, but I have to turn the light down a little bit so it doesn't white out the shoe, because the shoe is mostly all white with that wear away upper. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We're gonna get these open quick, fast, in a hurry. You heard? All right, so let's check this out, because people were saying there was tape at the top of their bags. Now, you guys see me open. If you go back and look at my first video, I just want to address this real quick. I got that pair from Foot Locker. When I opened it, I had no tape at the top of my package where you rip it off, no tape. So to me, that means it wasn't tampered with at all. Some of the pairs people are getting from Foot Locker and from Nike have tape at the top. I say that because I'm looking at my package right now. It has tape at the top. That shouldn't be the case. It should be sealed because you have the tearaway right here. Now, what this means is, in my opinion, is that someone peeked in here and either they swapping out colorways, because the bag doesn't tell you like which color is on there. It just shows you like a description of all the colors on here, and it's just a bag. So in my opinion, I think people are switching out shoes or peeking in to see which color it is, trying to get that Laker colorway, because that's the most coveted and the one that's going for the highest resale. So that's it. It's a dirty game, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna take this tape off the top, and I'm gonna tell you, if I can just open it without ripping it, someone definitely looked in here, peeked in here, or swapped shoes. So let's go ahead and get the tape off, and we're gonna go from there. So let me see here. Yeah, look, this part's already open right here. This part right here. So let me see something. You know what? I might need. Oh no, I'm good. Thought I was gonna need. Yeah, look, man, this joint's not even sealed. You can see right here. See the sealing right here? That wasn't even sealed. You can actually seal that back up like a Ziploc bag, right? And seal that up. That wasn't even sealed. So obviously here's with the tape at the top. So yeah, someone definitely looked in this bag and peeked in. So this is the pair we got right here. And let's see here, which pair is this? This looks like a Charlotte Hornet to me. Y'all tell me, what pair is that? Got the 24 in that blue. You got the red. Got another red Mamba sign right there at the top. Black swoosh. Both sides. Kobe signature right there is in that like teal bluish. Let me see if I can get it closer. Yeah, teal bluish color. Insole is that same teal blue as well. That's the insole. And let's see on the back. This one has 13 Kobe Bryant, of course. Got the extra bags over here. One extra bag in that teal colorway. And then let's see here on the back of this one. 1996 NFL, or sorry, 1996, I'm gonna say NFL draft. I'm so ready for the NFL to come back. 1996 draft, 13 Kobe Bryant. So that's just the 13 picks, but let's see what colorway we got with this pair right here. I'm pretty sure this is I think this is the Memphis colorway. All right, so yeah, where's the number at in here? It's supposed to have the draft number. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, yeah. This is the Memphis. Memphis colorway. All right, cause they go to number 3 right there. Cool. So this is the Memphis Grizzlies colorway. All right, cool. Got that out the way. Let me put this away. Let's hop into the next unboxing. We moving right along. All right, here's the next one. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Let's see what we got. Let's see if this one was tampered with as well. All right, slide that out. Toss that. Here's the size and label on this one. Let's go ahead and crack him open. Let's see. This got white tape. Yep. Got tape on the top of this one too. Tampered with. Tampered with, man. Boy, I tell you. Let's rip this right open, man. There's no. Oh, hold on. Hold on a second. Okay, hold on. Well, it could just mean that someone taped it and sealed it back up and then taped it. The other one just wasn't sealed back up. This one actually is sealed up to where you can't pull it, but it's not, you don't have to rip it because they already opened the bag. So let's go ahead and just pop it. Yep. I doubt the end of these will probably be Lakers from Nike, man, because they done peeked in all these bags. I don't know if his employees did it at the warehouse, they're shipping the shoes out or getting ready for shipping, or I don't know who did it, but somebody did it. This looks like, this might be the Bucks, actually. Yeah. So this one has, yeah, it's a nice blue on here though, I'll tell you that. This one has the blue swoosh. Has the blue Kobe signature on the side. Got the 24 on the back in that green. Blue Mamba sign right here at the top. Medial side, just like the lateral side. Yep, translucent bottom, so let's see. All right, this one should have the actual number on here, and I'm almost positive this is the Bucks. So this one has number 9. So number 9. Number 9 is, so oh no, this is the Dallas Mavericks. So this is the Dallas Mavericks pair right here. And it does have a percentage on here. So my first pair, the Toronto Raptors, got a 7.25% chance of hitting. So did the Memphis Grizzlies that I just unboxed or unpackaged. And then the Dallas Mavericks has an 8%. So these are the high percentage ones. The lowest percentage is, of course, the Los Angeles Kobe, 4%. And then you had 6% on the Charlotte Hornet. I think the Sixers was low too. Now the Sixers was high. Let's see what else. 6% on the Los Angeles Clippers. And yeah, so those are the lowest percentage ones. So here we go. Dallas Mavericks. Cool. And by the way, I don't know if I'm gonna keep all these pairs, man. So y'all just gotta stay glued to my eBay channel or eBay page and see if I'm going ahead and letting these go. But I don't know, man. I don't know if I should actually wear off some of the top and kind of customize a couple pairs. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below if y'all would like to see me do that, customize a pair or two. So let me know. And also, as I'm looking at my bag, man, I got puncture holes in my bag like they was peeking in. But you know what that is? That's not that ain't for them to be peeking in. I mean, you can't see the shoe through that. That's air holes to keep the shoe from probably keep them ventilated from probably not like mildewing or anything like that. So that's what those holes for. I don't think people poke holes in there to look in, peek in the shoe. Those look like they're manufactured holes for a purpose. So that's that. Let's go ahead and box the last shoe. All right, here go the last one, man. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we got that Lakers pair, man. Because I'm not trying to resell that pair. I'm actually going to keep that pair if I got the Lakers pair. So let's see if we got lucky. All right. Here's the size and label right here. And again, the size and label, I'm telling you anything, it says multicolor on it. So you don't really know what you got until you open it. So let's go ahead and open this pair, man. See what we got. This is the last one. Let's see if we got any tamperage on here. Yeah, got tape on here too. So got some tampering on this one as well. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's crazy, man. Yeah, they ain't even bother sealing these back up. And look, yo, I got another dab of Dallas Mavericks, man. This is crazy. Nah, hold on. No, I didn't. This is number 5. So who's number 5 on here? This is Minnesota? This is Timberwolves? Minnesota Timberwolves, huh? I don't know. How is this Minnesota Timberwolves? Their old color? Yeah, I guess it is their old color because it looks like the upper is an all blue upper once you wear it off. So right here is the pair I'm looking at. Right there. Yep. And here's the number 5 insole, blue insole. Cool. Blue laces. You got that green Kobe symbol right there at the top. Blue number 8 back. Medial side, green swoosh. Lateral side, green swoosh. And then on this one, man, they got my laces all over the place. That's crazy. They ain't even bothered to dead stock my laces back. All right, on this side. Oh, wow. So this one is a gray Kobe signature. You barely see it on that one. It's actually gray. Hopefully the camera's picking it up. But you can see there, it's a gray Kobe signature, but everything else is the same as the other shoe. You know, of course, you got the back tab with the Bryant on the back with 1324 on the heel in that blue. So there you have it, man. Let me grab them all and put them all up so we can see them all together. But here are all my pairs, man. So right here we got the hold on, let's start from this side. So this side is the Dallas Mavericks. We got the Dallas Mavericks right here. This one right here is the Memphis Grizzlies. And then we have, what did I say this one was? The Minnesota Timberwolves. And then upstairs, I got the Toronto Raptors pair. So that's all my pairs. Let me go ahead and get these out the way. And yeah, man, so like I said again, man, that Laker colorway is going to be hard to get. It was only like a 4% chance in the beginning, but people are definitely looking into bags and taping them back up. So if you got your pair from Nike, that's looks like what the employees did. If you get it from Foot Locker, it kind of looks like what they did. Like I said, not all pairs are like that. My Toronto Raptors pair, if you go back and look at that review, I didn't have any white tape on the top of mine. I just ripped mine off and opened it. So good luck out there if you're still trying to grab the Lakers pair. I mean, best bet at this point, I don't even know if you should pay retail to take your chances. At this point, I think the Laker pair is probably going for maybe 100 or more over retail, maybe a little bit more than that. Maybe go ahead and just grab them off the secondary market, man. I don't know if it's worth, you know, paying it because you can't return these. So Nike sent me an email with my delivery saying, hey, just want to give you a heads up, remind you if you forgot, you can't return this pair. All sales on these pairs are final. So for me, probably not going to keep all these pairs. So again, stay tuned and look for my eBay page. My eBay page is the same handle, Down1914. I will be probably selling these on my eBay page if for retail or for market, whatever the market value is, or maybe a little bit below. You know, we'll work out something. So keep an eye on that, and we'll go from there. But this was fun to do, man. It was you know, I kind of hate that the pairs was tampered with. That kind of takes the wind out of it a little bit. But all in all, I like the way Nike dropped this. I like the creativity behind this pair dropping, and it was cool to do. You know, so like I said, comment down below if you want to see me customize a pair. You know, make sure y'all comment that because you know I'm probably gonna throw these up after the weekend. If you know, I don't want to keep any of them. But if y'all want to see me like kind of customize a pair or two, let me know in the comment section down below. But I can keep them like this, and the next person that gets them can go ahead and customize them the way they want. Maybe we have a Memphis Grizzly fan, we have a Dallas Mavericks fan, and then we have a what was the other one? Yeah, which one was this? Was this the Bucks? No, this is Timberwolves. Yeah, Timberwolves, Grizzly, Timberwolves, and Mavericks. All right, cool. So with that being said, thank you if you tuned into the video, if you stayed to the end to see the unveiling of these pairs. I appreciate it. You know, it's kind of slow in the sneaker community right now, but you know, we'll see what we do. What's coming out later this week or this next weekend. The True Blues are the next big cop I'm looking for. I don't care if they're going for 230 or not. I never had that pair, so that's something I will be definitely gunning after. That's one of the OGs I've never had, you know, surprisingly, but they're clean. I gotta have them. So with that being said, I appreciate all the support. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. Into the next video. I'm out.
Rock money.